Okay, so listen, students. Today I am going to give you lecture on study, education. Listen me. Education is not only books. Okay, not your teachers, not your school. Everything is education. Understand? Your home. In your home, there are so many family members you have. Your mother, father, brother, sister. They are there. How you talk to them? When your mother is cooking food, can your mother put extra salt in whatever she cooks? Can she put extra salt? Can she put? No.
No, sir.
She has to put salt according to the need of whatever she is cooking. Understand? So this is also education. She cannot break the rules. In the similar way, can you talk impolitely with your father or mother? Can you talk wrongly with your father? No. You have to respect your father. It means you are following the rules. So this is also education. When you sit with your grandmother, Dadi ji, she tells you good things. Beta, do this, don't do this. Separate knowledge for girls, separate knowledge for boys.
Yes.
Am I right? So this is also education. So everything is education. If your father is a shopkeeper, he sits in the shop. Understand? When he talks to his customers, can he talk wrongly? Can he disrespect his customers? If your father will disrespect his customer, can that customer come again? He will not come again in your father's shop. Then your father cannot run business properly. How would he give you money for your fee or for your daily use? So this is also the part of education. No, but we have made different kind of subjects for knowledge, like SST, science, maths, English. Understand? You study these things in your school. So what is the rule? The rule is this: study at home. Whatever homework your teachers gives you, do at home. Understand? Don't waste time. Learn answers so that you can get good marks in your exams. This is education. How to sit. This is also education. If you don't know how to sit properly, then you will be punished. You will be disrespected by others. People will disrespect you. How to dress. What kind of clothes you should wear. They should be clean. You should wash them. Understand? You should take bath daily. How should you walk? This is also education. You know how to behave. Behave मतलब दूसरों से कैसे व्यवहार करना है. This is also education. So without education, we are animals. Understand? Understand? Without education, we are animals. So the more you study, the more you will become intelligent, knowledgeable. Understand? When you will be knowledgeable, then you can show way to others. इसका मतलब अगर आप में ज्ञान होगा तो दूसरों को रास्ता दिखाओगे ना. If you will be in dark, how can you show way to others? अगर आप में ही अंधेरा होगा तो. So education is everything. Understand? Don't play. Don't waste time on other activity. Only study. Only study. You will not face difficulty. The student who give maximum time to his study or her study, he cannot face challenge, problem in his or her life. You can uncountable money. Uncountable मतलब जितना मर्जी पैसा कमा सकते हो. If you will have a knowledge, अगर आपके पास ज्ञान होगा. Understand? So study only. Take interest in study only because this is the time you have to give this time. You must give this time to study. Understand? This time will not come again. Will you come again in 7th class? Tell me, after 10 years, where you will be? You will be according to your study. If you will study hard, if you study right now properly, then you will be on higher place. आप किसी जगह पे पहुंचे होंगे. Otherwise, girls will be doing some beauty parlor shop, and you boys will be can become the vendor, ready wala, or might be opening his restaurant like that, momo shop like that. Understand?
Yes.
So I want to say, study daily, study hard, don't waste time. If you cannot understand anything, Ask your teacher again and again. That's it.